the streets up. Yeah, yeah, okay. Wake the streets up. Yeah, okay.
Hey everybody, welcome back. So for this tutorial, you're going to need candles of any size, some diamond bling wrap, which came from the home decor section at Hobby Lobby, Loctite adhesive spray, and of course scissors. So starting off, it doesn't really matter which candle you start with, but you're going to start by taking your wrap and measuring it around the candle to get an idea of where you're going to cut. You're going to use your finger as a guide to where you're going to cut. And then with your finger still holding, you're going to take the scissors and just snip. So it took a little muscle to get that cut all the way through, but it was definitely able to be cut. And for the next part, I definitely forgot to let you guys know, you're going to need some type of protective covering to use the Loctite adhesive spray. So I'm going to be using an old box that I had laying around the house, which is the USPS box. And you're just going to spray lightly. And you're going to lay it and press. Lay and press. And then you're just going to firmly hold it at the end to make sure everything aligns. And it's beautiful. So for the next candle, the steps will be repeated. I'm actually going to start with the larger one. You're going to start by, again, taking the bling wrap, measuring it around the candle, and using your finger as a guide for where you need to cut. So with this one, I actually noticed it had to be altered a little. So I had to adjust that by actually cutting a set of the diamonds out of the bling wrap. I needed everything to align evenly when I went to lay it down. So I'm going to go ahead and lightly spray. You don't need a lot of spray, lightly. And then remember, you're going to roll and press, roll and press. And there you go. It looks beautiful. So for the last and final candle, you're going to measure again. And this one was kind of easy because it was an even cut. No alterations or adjustments had to be made. Remember, you're going to lightly spray. You do not need a lot of adhesive spray. It's really sticky, so light. And again, you're going to lay, roll, press, and firmly hold at the end. This one was a little difficult, so I had to give it a little muscle push. And there you have it. It's all done. Thank you for watching my video.